In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment method on Popmart. In order to do that, just make sure to just choose right here particular thing that you wish to purchase. For example, let's choose right here this one. Click on that particular product. Then from in there, head over and then click onto this pick one. And from in there, it should be able to redirect you to the buying page on your Popmart. We have in here this, click on this buy now. Then after that, this will show you in here this. So you can actually add a default address, enter coupons and links. For example, right here, we have this option to proceed to pay. So add your address first, enter it manually if you would want. Click onto this proceed to pay option right there. Then after that, it should be able to load the Popmart itself. And then from in there, you can see these payment methods available to you. If you wish to add a new payment method, just proceed to check out by adding your new credit card as well as Google Pay, GCash, or BPI. Just choose right here which one or which payment method you wish to add. And then after that, make sure to save that particular payment method. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you.